Hey everyone, this is Hashim from ZHR Industrial Repair, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how we test our Kinetix 5700 units. Here at ZHR, we fully test all of our units before sending them out to you guys. Since everyone on our team has an engineering background, we're able to develop the test stand ourselves and guarantee that the units will arrive to you in a 100% working condition. Over here, we have the 2198 P141 unit. This is our power supply. Connected to it is the 2198 D12 ERS3. This here is our dual drive unit, and it is connected to two separate motors. The motors we are using today are from the VPL motor series. Both of them are connected to the drives as shown over here. The PLC we are using today is the 5069 L330 ERMS2. It is from the Guard Logic series and not from the Compact Logic series. For this particular drive, you have to use the Guard Logic series. Connected to the PLC is the input module, the 5069 IB16. This DC input is going to be used to control our start-stop program for today's video. This is the motion portion of our program. This is going to control how the motors will rotate. I have it set up so that at first one motor will rotate, then the second one will, then they'll rotate collectively, and then the whole program will loop. Over here we have the main routine, and here is where I have the start-stop portion set up. This is the start, this is the stop, and they're connected to these buttons right here. The green is the start. When I click it, it will start the program. The red is the stop. When I click it, it will stop the program. Now I'm going to start the program by clicking the start button. As you can see, the motor is rotating as I previously said, one at a time. And then collectively together. And so, we started this program with the start button, and now at any time, I can press the stop button, and then stop the program. The motors have stopped moving. This has been our test stand for the Kinetix 5700. If you guys have any units you'd like us to repair, please let me know. I'm going to put my contact information at the end of the video, so you guys can contact me there or leave your question down in the comments below. We repair any type of unit, whether it's a PLC, a drive, or a motor, or anything else. From any brand you guys have, Allen Bradley, Siemens, or others, we do it all. Like I said, my contact information will be at the end of the video, so please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Hashim from ZHR Industrial Repair. I hope you guys have a good day. Thank you.